guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be sharing 3 simple, mostly dollar store DIYs. So come and join me. These are great for spring. For this first DIY, I am using a pillow that I have picked up at Dollarama for $4. I am using some of these flowers that I have taken apart, as well as these ones. They have all come from Dollar Tree, and I have completely taken them apart. I have taken the flowers off, the leaves off, and the stems off. And you're gonna use a hot glue gun. First, you kind of want to design the pillow before you glue it. Don't start gluing until you know what you're doing. You also might need wire cutters. So I'm gonna cut up these into the smaller pieces. So I think that's pretty good. Now I'm gonna glue it on. This glue gun is evil. Now that those are in place, I'm going to start placing my flowers. Now I just want to put a little bit of leaves, not too many, so I think I'm going to cut them apart. And place them strategically so they kind of cover the points and things like that. So I think this is it. This is such a cute spring pillow. I mean, it's not a pillow you're gonna snuggle on, but as a decorative pillow, I think it's super pretty, and it cost me under $6. No, it actually cost me under $7, sorry, because I used 2 different flowers, $1.25, and a pillow was $4. For my next DIY, I am remaking this pot. I just want to make it a little bit more farmhousey, and I'm using the Annie Sloan wax and the old white and some of these sponges. And then I'm going to arrange the daffodils inside of it. And I am just dry brushing the paint on. So I'm going to apply this black wax to the letters. It's just got some of the red, the gold off and made it a little bit more rustic looking. So the next step, I'm going to put the floral foam in here, and I'm going to add the daffodils, and I had cut off the ends to make them a little shorter. This is a super easy and simple way to add some daffodils into your life for this springtime that never seems to come. For my next project, I am using an old piece of fence board, some old white and Sloan chalk paint, a Java gel stain, a small paintbrush, sandpaper, and a sanding block. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this up and paint it white. Now I'm going to sand it down until the desired look. Once I was done sanding it, I had taken a ruler and just marked off middle points for my letters and top and the bottom for the letters, and then I penciled my word on with, well, obviously with the pencil first, just so that way it fits and it is exactly the way I wanted before I have applied a stain. I had watched a fellow YouTuber and she had explained how to do lettering when you write one that thicker, one line thicker, one line thinner. I will link her video down below. She just made it seem so simple that I thought I had never thought of this before, and it was very neat the way she shared it, so I wanted to share it with you. So once the stain has dried, I'm gonna give it a light sand until the desired look is achieved. And that's it. I think it turned out so nice. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. If you're brand new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and press the notification button so you don't miss out any of my videos that I post. Until next time, have a wonderful day, and again, thank you so much for watching.